everyone, Claude Pro is one of those subscription models made by Anthropic, which is an AI company, and what they basically allow you to do within Claude Pro is to pay for their monthly subscription model, which is $20 a month, and you basically get to take advantage of the Claude Pro kind of AI service that they have. Now, Anthropic with their Claude AI service, it is actually a really cool thing, right? It's an AI assistant. It gives you, long context windows, fast outputs, complex reasoning capabilities, and a lot more things like that. So that's a really, really cool thing. With Claude Pro, it's basically just a more enhanced version of that. So all it is just a more enhanced, higher quality version of Claude AI. Now, what you get inside of Claude Pro is basically a couple of things. Number one, you get more usage than the free tier option. So you have the ability of sending way more messages than the free option. They say you get 5 times more usage than our free tier provides. So that right there is a very important thing. You can go through and take advantage of that right there. Also, you get priority access to Claude AI when there's high traffic periods. So when you're going through and you're, using Claude AI, you might be trying to see, exactly what's going on with some things, like, why is your service so slow or whatever. It's because Claude AI kind of throttles the service based on other people's, service, there's their, how many people are on it. They tailor it more towards the people who are paying for it. So because of that, you have the option of basically going through and paying for that more expensive tier, which is Claude AI Pro. So you can go through and pay for it and you get basically uninterrupted. I wouldn't say uninterrupted, but it's still much higher quality than the previous, type of, model that you'd look at before. You also get early access to new features within Claude. So whenever there's a new model that comes out, or there's new, safety level procedures that come out or security updates, usually Claude Pro would be the one that would kind of go through and get that type of, option for you. So it kind of gives you a better experience from that particular side. So those things in and of itself are really cool ways of kind of going through and kind of taking advantage of Claude and kind of what it has to offer. I would probably tell you though, for the most part, if you stick with standard version of Claude, you would probably be okay with a lot of use cases out there. If you're like a basic user of Claude, you're probably not going to notice too many things. You're probably not going to feel like it's too left out. So I do feel like Claude, the standard one, is still good enough for the most part. But if you are wanting to go through and take it up a notch, I think Claude Pro is definitely a decent option. And if you're a power user of Claude, I would highly recommend, kind of upgrading to it, or at least having your work pay for it. They might even pay for it for you. So from that side, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.